Got another one, guys. They're small. These guys are small. Oh, it is gone. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, these guys are small, you know. But all that matters is I'm catching them. All that matters, you know. Nice little fish, huh? Yeah, throw them back, they get bigger. Throw them back, they get bigger. He came right out from under the logs, this guy. Came right out from under the logs. Yeah, these bad boys are hungry, you know. They're hungry. They be hungry, these little beggars. I want to land me a Big Daddy. I don't know if I'm going to get that Big Daddy today, but we'll see. I usually fish like this. I like doing this because then I know I got them. Gotta watch those logs. You don't get caught up on those logs, you know. Yeah, 3 bass so far. I mean, that's great. For the first season out. Shit, can't beat it. Let's try for the big ones. I know them big ones are out there. You know, it's funny, these ponds ain't deep, you know. They're very murky, very mushy. I mean, if you were to walk the bottom of this, it'll suck your shoes right off your feet. You know? Very murky. And then, like I said, they're not very deep. Not very deep at all. You know? I was going to come this morning. I should have. You know, I would have had a little better luck, but hey, what are you going to do? I'm catching fish, you know? I didn't get the big one yet, but I'm working on it. I've seen guys pull 12-pounders out of here. 10, 11, 12-pounders. You know? But they come in here with their kayaks and shit. They could go all along the sides and everything. I used to come back here with my waders. Not in this pond, but the first pond. And I used to walk around the pond. Walk around the edge of the pond. And I've caught some nice fish. All right, guys, if we get another one, I'll get back to you. Peace out.